This a banger thing.
Woulda dey na the bar, money man don't call na the bar. Eh, woulda dey na the bar, diamond boy don't drop na the bar. Woulda dey na the bar, money man don't call.
What's up, TeamFullest? This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So today I'm here to do another quick get ready with me, a summer makeup look. To be using this primer. You guys know I love this NYX primer. I'm so obsessed with it. Yeah, I just love it. It's just so beautiful on the skin. I'm going to take my brush. I'm avoiding using my hand on my face, so that's why I'm using brush. So what have you guys been up to? You guys can see the weather, it is pretty nice. I'm filming with a daylight, so if the sun start going acting like as if Amadiowa is running after him or her, don't judge me, don't blame me. I'm gonna take the NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator in Pure Gold. Sun Goddess is finished, and I only have Pure Gold. I do have some Goddess, but I first want to at least use the other one, because I know if I open the Sun Goddess, it's just finished for the other illuminators. I'm not going to be using them. So reasons why I decided not to open them right now. I first use the Sun Goddess. So now that that is, first use the ones that I have. I'm going to take this foundation. This is the F14. I love this foundation. It's just so beautiful on the skin. Going to take my brush. If you guys hear noises in the background, you guys know I'm sitting right in front of the window, so please excuse the noise. So you may have like some noises coming in. Yeah, I love the coverage of this foundation. It's just so very, very lightweight on the skin, especially when my skin is looking much more better now. I don't really need like, oh, the sunlight is crazy. I don't really need like a lot of foundation. I'm gonna take a little bit for my forehead. Just put it here and just take that and bounce on my forehead. Just blend everything into the skin smoothly. Blend, 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 blend. Make sure everything is properly blended. So now that everything is blend, I'm going to take the Fit Me concealer in 55. So now I'm going to take my sponge. I'm just going to blend everything into the skin smoothly. So now that this is done, we're done. Close this. I'm going to be taking my W7 powder. I'm almost out of this powder, so your girl just want to use it, just finish it at once. So now it's time to set the overall face. I'm going to be using my Makeup Revelation setting powder. That is done. Now it's time to contour. I'm going to be using my contour powder. So beauties, this is the finished result. I'm sorry I couldn't talk through. There's so much noise, as you guys can still hear the noise in the background. So this is the finished result. Outfits, I'm just wearing a simple outfit. I'll put a picture of my outfit here so you guys can see the outfit that I'm wearing. But yeah, this is the finished result. I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share, and I'll see you all on my next video. TeamFullest, thank you so much for your love and support. Peace out. Bye.